Staying in a lighter mode, we now have two items which are well known. You Make Me Feel So Young is a classic jazz standard from 1946, music by Joseph Myro, the words by Mac Gordon. Became famous after Frank Sinatra recorded it and put it on his classic LP, if you remember what those are. Songs for Swinging Lovers. There are lots of swinging lovers in Pendyrus. A male voice choir is divided into tenors and bass. And I do say that to be a tenor, you need a falsetto voice. And to be a bass, you need a falsetto teeth. All choristers need their dentures firmly fixed to get around John Samuel's very lively arrangement of the famous musical Oklahoma. It's a very catchy medley. And we are singing this, A Visit to Nova Scotia, 2007, under John Samuel's baton. And in the background, you will see the choir getting up to not singing. Every choir on tour has days off in which they pursue various interests, and golf tends to predominate. And you will see the boys knocking a golf ball at various distances and setting off in pursuit of it. Well, that will be the background to this arrangement by John Samuel of Oklahoma.
Iaith.